Horses out, we have Tabel, that's the begin, Danari inside, Divisoria, Lifetime, moving a party outside, True to Form, then followed by Perfectionist, Sweet Lorky, Dare to Dream, Devoted Minstrel, Ilocos Magic, and High Quality is the early trailer by about 15 to 16 lengths off the base. Meanwhile, we have Divisoria goes on by about 2 lengths. True to Form in second. Perfectionist now moving up to take third. Tabel draws back in fourth. Then comes Lifetime. Dare to Dream, Devoted Minstrel, Sweet Lorky, Star Quality, and Ilocos Magic. Now racing in last. That's still Divisoria by about 2 lengths. True to Form still in second. Racing in third now. Perfectionist, Tabel is down in fourth. Lifetime in fifth, moving up Dare to Dream. Devoted Minstrel, Sweet Lorky, High Quality, and Ilocos Magic still racing in last. Divisoria now by about 5 lengths. And in second, moving up now, Tabel, Perfectionist as they come down at the last 150. Divisoria now racing away by about 7 lengths. Tabel now moving up to take second. Lifetime, Devoted Minstrel, True to Form, and nearing the finish line, it's Divisoria. And finally, Divisoria, Tabel, close, Lifetime, Devoted Minstrel, then comes True to Form, Sweet Lorky for your Super 6.
1, 4, 3, 6, 10, 2.